Hey there, welcome back. Friends, in this video we will try to understand a alternate method using which we can read files. So let's get started. Moving forward, in here we will type in scanner, sc as the name of the object, new scanner, and in the argument we need to pass on object of file type. So in here we will type in new file and then path of the file. So we will make use of a local file which is directly available inside the project. So it's test.txt. Let me show you the contents as well. So there are only few names. So in here we will give the name as test.txt. This file is already available in the project. Alright, so now everything seems to be good enough. And if we hover upon this error, we need to import the package and we need to also handle the exception. So let's surround this with try catch, and inside the catch block let's quickly add a statement. It would be like error while reading file. Alright, so this looks good to me. Moving forward, now we have the handle to the file. Now actually we will read the file. So in here, first of all, we would require a while loop. Let me do that. While sc dot has next, and inside this loop we will read line by line the file. So first of all, let's take a temporary string variable by the name of line, and inside this loop we will type in line equals sc dot next line. Alright, so this looks good to me. And moving forward, using sysout, we will simply type in line. And once everything is done, we need to also close the handle. So we will type in sc.close. Alright, so this looks good. Let us test whether this program works properly or not. And here is the output. Alright, so this is how we can make use of a scanner class to read a file, and this is pretty simple as well. So this is all about today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.